In this video, we are discussing about the important question and answers in 8th class art education. First question, what are the different types of puppet used in puppetry? Answer, finger puppet, glove puppet, road puppet, shadow puppet, string puppet. Second question, write the name of 4 Kathakali music singers. Answer, Kalamandalam Shankaran Embradri, Madambi Subramanian Nambudiri, Kalamandalam Hyderali, and Venmani Haridas. Third question, how many forms are there in Tulal art? Which are they? Answer, there are 3 forms are there in Tulal art. The first one, Otan Tulal, and second one, Sidangan Tulal, and other one is Parayan Tulal. Fourth question, what is rhythm? Answer, rhythm is a combination of dance, song, and instrument. Fifth question, what are Navarasas? Answer, Navarasas are the 9 expressions we human being mostly often express. They include love, that means Shingara, laughter, that means Hasya, compassion, that means Karuna, anger means Rautra, courage means Veera, fear means Bhayanaka, disgust means Bibelsa, surprise means Albuda, peace means Shanta. Sixth question, what is folk song? Answer, folk songs are unique music forms that radiate purity and poetry beauty due to the nature of native language and literature. Seventh question, write the name of 2 ritual art. Answer, Teyyam Padayani. Eighth question, how can a musical instrument can be classified and what are they? Answer, musical instrument can be classified into 4 categories. The first one is Sushila Vadyangal, that means blow air instruments. The instruments are operated by blow air. The second one, Tantri Vadyangal, that means string instrument. These instruments that produce sound from vibrating strings. Third one, Tugal Vadyangal, that means leather instruments. The musical instruments in which leather membranes is made to be vibrate. Fourth one is Loha Vadyangal, that means metal instruments. The musical instruments made from metals. Ninth question, write the name of the 4 traditional dance art of Kerala. Answer, Tiruvathirakkali, Margankali, Parichamutta, Poorakali, Opana. 10th question, what are the elements should be considered for a dance to be beautiful? Answer, good acting. Fingers should be shown the meaning of the lines, that means mudra should be there. There must be steps. And the final one, there should be a rhythm to the step. Thanks for watching the video. For more question and answer, please watch other videos in this channel.